Watch this video and learn how to draw a duck. Later on, Artie has a song break with 5 little ducks. And stay to the end for a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Do you know what you want to draw today?
No, Artie doesn't know.
Well, remember that duck we saw in the pond the other day? Let's draw him.
Oh, that's going to be really good. I'll go get my marker pens. Wow. Whoa.
How wonderful to see everyone today.
It sure is. Thanks for coming back.
Ready?
You know we got some new marker pens?
Yeah?
The coloured ones.
Yeah?
Let's use them.
I can't wait. Yeah, let's start. Okay, drawing time.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start.
Let's start by drawing a nice S-shaped neck for our duck. Oh, Artie, after we finish this drawing, maybe we can go to the park and look at the real ducks.
Yeah.
It'll be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that.
Yay.
Now let's finish the duck's head. That's it. Now let's add an eye inside the head. Draw a large circle right in the middle.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thank you, Barry. Well, that's it, Artie. That looks really good. Now let's draw our duck's beak. Did you know, Artie, it's actually called a bill?
A bill?
Yes, a duck's bill.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi. Wow, your art is so good it could be in a museum.
Oh, wow.
You're the best.
Thank you.
Bye for now, Artie.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, Artie, someone admires your work. And you.
No.
Now, Artie, let's add the tail. So on the left side of the page, draw a big curved line coming all the way down, and then connect the end of that line to the line that came down from the neck. That's it. Really good.
Oh, let's have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah.
What a great idea.
Yeah. Okay, song break. Yeah.
Five little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. Three little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said,
Quack, 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 quack.
but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said,
Quack, 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 quack.
but no more little ducks came back. Sad Mother Duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said,
Quack, 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 quack.
and all 5 little ducks came back. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said,
Quack, 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 quack.
and all 5 little ducks came back.
Oh, that was a really good song break.
It was.
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Oh, I enjoyed so much.
Well, we enjoyed watching you.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Now let's draw the top or back of our duck. A nice curved line and then curve all the way down towards the tail. Keep watching to see Betty and Mikey in a cartoon. Let's draw some feathers on the end of the tail. It sort of looks a little bit like 3 fingers.
Yeah.
Draw a nice curvy line coming down from the neck towards the bottom of the body.
Hi, Artie. Whoa! Your art is like a beautiful melody. A little like this. Zoop-a-ba-doo, zoop-doop-doo, zoop-a-doop-a-doop-doop-doo. Yeah.
Oh, Barry, now the dogs are all barking again. Ugh. Now let's draw a wing on the side of the body. We'll draw some sort of finger shapes again. I mean, they're not fingers, they're feathers, but they look a little bit like fingers.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
You want a cartoon break?
Yes, please.
All right, we can.
Yay! Cartoon break. Cartoon break.
Mikey, this is The Birth of Venus by Botticelli.
She's standing in a shell.
This is very old. It's from the 1480s.
She's so pretty.
It depicts the goddess Venus arriving at the shore.
It's pretty cool how she's using the giant shell as a boat.
It is pretty cool. Come, Mikey, look at this beautiful work of art.
It's my grandma.
This painting is called Whistler's Mother. The artist is called Whistler.
She could have at least looked at him.
This pose makes the painting more interesting.
Or his mom was shy.
Oh, Mikey. Mikey, this is an original Banksy piece.
This was painted by a bank?
The artist is called Banksy.
The wind is blowing. That girl's gonna lose her balloon.
This was done using stencils.
What's a stencil?
It's a piece of paper with holes cut into it, and the paint is sprayed through the holes in the paper.
Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
It was so interesting.
Yeah.
Let's carry on with the drawing.
Oh, yeah.
Come along then.
Okay.
Now, from the bottom of our 3 fingers, that aren't really fingers, let's curve all the way up to the neck. That's it. Now he has a wing. Let's give him a couple of feathers on the top of his head. Just 2 little triangles.
Wow, that's amazing.
So impressive.
You know, ducks love water, so let's sit him in a little pond. We're going to draw a very big oval shape just underneath our duck. Now let's draw some puddle lines, as if the duck is just gently moving the water with his little legs underneath. It looks great, Artie.
I finished.
It's a really good one.
Yeah. I want to color it in.
Well, of course you must.
Yeah.
Go on then.
Okay. Yeah.
It's time to color it in.
Finished. All done. Yeah.
It looks good, Artie.
Oh, yeah. It looks really nice.
It does.
I love all the colors.
Oh, the colours are so
Yeah.
good. Are you proud?
Oh, I'm very proud. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Well, that's a wrap on the Artie Show. Keep drawing and keep singing.
See you next time.
We'll see you again soon.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again on the Artie Show. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Bye-bye.